Hey, what's up and welcome. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, we are continuing with the TypeScript course. In the previous video, we just typed a simple array. It was a number, a string, and a number. As you can see, this is the corresponding type. But what if we want to type an array of object? How can we do that? Then it means that here we will have an object. Let's say the object has got the name, okay, and the name is Matthew, and it has got the age, the key, which is an age, and the value is, let's say, 50. Okay, as you can see, TypeScript is giving us some problems because indeed we have a problem. This is an array and an array of an object. Let's just make two objects. Okay, this is object 1 in an array and this is object 2. Now let's go back here. As you can see, we have a problem because this is not an array of object. So how can we solve this problem? Okay, first thing that we have to do, let's just quickly copy this structure. My apologies about that. Let's just copy this structure and then come here. Let's create a new type. Type, let's say type object. Okay, which is, this is the object. Let's say object prop, and then from then is equal to, then we put this as it is. Let's just delete these curly braces, and then we're just going to change this string into a data type string, okay, into a type string, and this to number. So what we have just did, we have just isolated the object, the type of an object, only an object, and we have given it a name of object prop, which is, this is a type. So this type defines each object. Now what we need to do, the age is defined by an array of object. Do you have an idea as to how can we solve this problem? Obviously, I knew you have one. What we can do, we can just say age is a type of object prop, okay? But not just object prop, but an array of object prop, okay? As you can see, TypeScript doesn't solve our issues only on one place. But TypeScript is concerned about the consistency in the whole code base. As you can see, if now you've got an array here and previously you've just assigned age as it is, this is not how you use an array. So this is the power of TypeScript. You are not going to ship errors into production, but you are going to fix them in development. Then this means that if this is not how you use an array, you know that when you want to use an array, you always put this curly braces, and first you have to tell the array that which position do you want in an array. Let's say you want position 0, but still TypeScript is not happy with that because inside this there is an object, okay, which a key and a value. So it's very important if we can use the dot method. This is the power of TypeScript. TypeScript is giving us options to choose. We can't ignore age and name and just want ID. TypeScript is going to tell us ID is not found in this, okay, object shape. What if maybe we can quickly add it? Obviously, it will mean that we need to also go to this page and add that. Okay, so let's just remove it and use what is already here, which is we want the name here, and then we can save, and that is it. We don't have errors. I hope you are finding this interesting, where we are getting into a journey where we are removing TypeScript squiggly line one by one. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel. If you feel like this is adding value into your overall understanding of TypeScript, please do me a favor and support the channel and hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one.